is 10:30 p.m. This is a little bit to full moon. Those sounds are coming from the house. People just went out and looking in their roof. Something made those sounds. Third house on the right. All over the sky are some white lines. I know. That sound.